How to make TikTok edits on CapCut. Now, if you know how to use CapCut like a pro, of course you can use all these custom things. But if you're just a beginner in CapCut, I would suggest you to use template. For a template, you can open up your browser, and on your browser, just search for CapCut template like this, and then click on CapCut template. It's going to ask you to log in into your account. So log in into your CapCut account, and a lot of template is going to be available over here. Choose whichever effect you want or whichever effect is viral on TikTok. Once you click on that, it's going to open up like this. You can click and use this template and the template will open up. Now what you can do is once this page is loaded up, you want to click in the option media and click on upload. You can upload a file over here yourself, but if you don't want to get the premium version, you can always click on Google Drive and choose the video from your Google Drive. I will suggest you to use this because it's free. Once you choose the video from your Google Drive or photos from your Google Drive, it's going to be available over here. Once it's available over here, the template is going to automatically be applied to the video, and you can just click on export to export the edit. Okay, that's how we guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.